One of the biggest car shows in the country. Oh, beautiful Chevy Malibu that my hubby here is in love with.
The color.
Let's see.
Look at that car.
What is it?
Gold, I don't know.
The final numbers for the drawing. And Nathan Rowe, we need you to go back to your car, please.
Beautiful McLaren, beautiful color. Now we have a Porsche.
Go!
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel, The Five Oli Hosts. We are gonna take you today to one of the biggest car shows in the country.
Over 1,000 cars.
Over 1,000 cars, right? And what's the name of it, babe?
The Dr. George Car Show for Cancer Foundation.
There you go. So it's gonna be lots of fun, lots of beautiful cars, and a lot of people, and a lot of vendors, and all kinds of goodies, and all kinds of stuff going on. So can't wait to show you guys. Huh?
I'm gonna get candy.
You gonna get candy? You think they're gonna have candy?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Lollipop.
In a lollipop?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be good.
And I'm gonna get a swirl. A little swirl.
Oh, nice. Maybe they'll have that in there.
Maybe they'll have ice.
So we'll see you guys when we get in there. Okay, you guys, so we're just getting in the door and in the gate, actually, not in the door. But this is the very beginning of the cars that we're about to show you. We just passed a really beautiful Chevy Malibu that my hubby here is in love with.
The color's
Let's
off.
see.
Look at that car.
Your numbers.
What is it?
Gold, I don't know.
The final numbers for the drawing. And Nathan Rowe, we need you to go back to your car, please. Nathan Rowe.
Wow.
Okay. No, wait. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to take other one, okay? 1, 2, okay? Where's for me?
It is. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what direction to go, you guys. Like, everywhere you look is just beauty. Gorgeous. That's a Ford. Beautiful grill. Beautiful interior. I love that car. So beautiful.
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you
No, I
right
didn't
there.
see you backing up like that. I just wanted to
Sorry,
show you something.
it's beautiful.
You're doing a great job.
Oh.
Did you see this car? The silver?
I'm like, I want to go that way. I want to go this way.
I just wanted to bring it to your attention. It's gorgeous.
I'll walk right over there. Thank you.
I've
Yeah, Wow. This is the car that he was just talking to me about, you guys. Wow, look at that trunk. It's so cute. Wow. Holy moly. Beautiful. Beautiful. Impeccable interior, you guys. And that is a 1935 Chrysler Airflow. Wow.
Oh,
Wow. Look how beautiful this thing is. Look at that. Look at the detail. Look at the lights. The horn is gorgeous. How beautiful is that?
Yeah, we're never gonna get done if you take this long.
Okay.
Every car. The guy that built this car is sitting over there with it. I said, how long did it take you? He said 5 months to build it. That
Wow. Oh, the orange? Oh my God.
You should see.
What is it? Wow. Come here. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So Oldsmobile, you guys. This is the one that my husband was talking about. It's gorgeous. White leather interior. It's beautiful.
Guys, ready to go back? Alright, let's go.
Hey, where did they go? Where are you taking us now?
Back.
They gotta be right there. Oh, that purple one. Hold that. Momo wants me to look at this purple car. Oh, okay. So we'll just wait.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, look at that blue one. Everything blue is just like beautiful.
Yeah. Look at that yellow one. It's gorgeous too.
Those yellows are cool.
Yeah. What about that yellow one? It's gorgeous.
I could paint my nails that color.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's not. I like a built back to factory. Not
Like black or apple red.
factory. That's like.
Outcast. Is that an outcast?
Yeah.
That's
all
funny.
custom.
Not. They don't mean.
Look at that.
Yeah. Wow.
Right here.
Look at the green one. It's so little cute.
Super. They're owned by the same people. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. Kenny, this is me right here. I'm taking that one right now. You want to go for a ride?
Give her the keys.
Yeah. You want to go for a ride? No? Oh my God. This one? That's the same car that I just said, but in apple red. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love the car. One of my faves. This is gorgeous, Kenny. Gorgeous. That's what you drove? No. Yeah, this is.
Cars are here somewhere.
That's one of my favorite cars ever. You guys, this is one of my favorite cars in the car show right now. In the Cobras that I showed you guys earlier, but this is just absolutely breathtaking. It's a gorgeous car. It's beautiful. The color, everything's just perfect. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Have fun in it. Wow. Here's another one of my favorites, you guys, which is the car that I was telling you guys about when we first came in the door. It's a Malibu Chevelle. Look at that beauty. Beautiful interior. Beautiful color. It's just beautiful. Wow. That's one of my favorites, Momo, right there.
My favorite part.
Huh?
We're almost to my favorite part.
Which one? You gotta
The
show
ice
me.
cream.
You're funny, huh?
No, I'm serious.
But didn't you like, what was the car that you liked? The purple
It
one.
was the purple one. I took
What
a
was it,
picture
though?
of it. I don't-
You don't remember?
It was Buzzle. I
We'll
don't
show
read
them
that
to
stuff.
everybody. What is this?
Oh,
It's beautiful.
Not a car.
That's a Falcon.
Oh, Kenny was like,
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Mom, earlier Kenny was like, look at that. I was like, is it a dog? He was like, Mom, you should have brought your car. No, tricky.
Look at that Porsche.
I know. But you should
Beauty.
My mom's was a Le Mans. It wasn't the Chevelle,
uh-huh.
but it's the same shit. Pontiac Le Mans. It's more like that.
Catalina.
It's more
Pontiac.
like that. Yeah,
That's
it's more like
beautiful
that.
car.
Yeah, it was gorgeous, dude. Same color as that too.
Wow.
There's your Mustang. That's a Ferrari.
That's a Corvette right here.
No, right
This
here.
I like. That too. Beautiful.
Oh my god, that looks like from that show. I forgot what it is. There's a show, and it's like a car, and it drives
Look at that.
Bugs Bunny. So
Oh wow.
it's like an old
Can't
show
trust
that I
that one
used
that was at my shop the other day. Salty, didn't I?
Look, it keeps going, you guys, and going and going and going. Look at the views behind us. So
Why
we
is this place
are.
so big? My legs hurt.
This is in the town of Indian Wells, you guys, where this is happening.
That's a
So
map.
as you guys can see the beautiful background with the mountains and everything, and it's such a beautiful day in February and it feels like summertime already, but it's not so bad that we're not sweating or anything. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day, and what a beautiful day to look at beautiful cars, right?
Bobby,
Yeah,
look at that map car.
yeah.
That's for sale. Doesn't have a price.
Yeah. Oh, I don't like the back of it.
Yeah,
It's
that's
beautiful, but I don't like the 50s style Impala.
yeah. 60s are better.
Yeah. So you guys, we are on the side where Kenny's favorite cars are, and he is tripping. So we have a McLaren, I think. Yep. Beautiful McLaren, beautiful color. Now we have a Porsche, which I like to call Porsches. I don't even know what this is. It's gorgeous. Another Ferrari. Wow.
You know what these are? He's not your friends there. Second dinner today.
Kenny, where's your favorite one? All of them are? Beautiful. Wow, look at this one, Kenny. Wow. That's a Shelby Cobra 1965, you guys. Daytona. Huh. Wow. That was in an actual race car.
Look, 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 look,
It's
look.
gorgeous. Look at that paint job.
Look under there.
Whoa, Momo.
Oh, no, look. Go look at
All right, Fanny, come on.
Oh,
There's eyeballs.
wow.
Oh, Bob, be careful.
Look at that. Austin Healey, you guys. Oh my gosh. 1966. It's gorgeous. Look Look at this car, Mama.
I don't look at this one though. Look at the door. Look, what? Oh,
Lamborghini, Kenny, is that you? Kenny's tripping over this Lamborghini.
Oh, Mom, guess who has
Mercy. Look at the paint, Kenny. It's like, it looks like a whole bunch of different colors.
Mommy,
Yeah,
Kylie Jenner.
yeah. I'm sure a lot of those people do, Mama.
Yeah,
Look,
but hers is like red and it's really pretty.
that's a Barracuda. That's how they call it Buddha. It's beautiful.
Look, Mom, you could have brought your
Barracuda. Hey, my truck could have been in here.
truck. Exactly.
Yeah.
Look, 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 look.
Oh. It's a Transformer car?
What? No. That's
I'm
from
just-
Star Wars, Mom. That's from Star Wars.
Look at that Mustang. All Mustangs like this are pretty. The old ones.
Look,
Look how
look.
pretty.
Look.
Yeah.
See, to me, that's a gorgeous car.
Yeah. The SS.
Look at the lines on it.
Screenshots.
Wow.
SS in text language means screenshots. That's a screenshot.
That might be
It's
the
gorgeous.
best looking bed I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
Look at how wide it looks.
Right. It looks like a shark in the front. That is super nice.
I've never seen one like that.
Snack time?
They want ice cream.
Snack time, you guys. What did you get, Fofi? Oh, beautiful. Cute little puppy. Oh my god, look at his face. He's so cute. Oh
my God,
He's eating grass. Look. He's so cute. Ah? So cute.
Most of the time, I only like looking at animals.
So what did you get, Mama? Cookies and cream?
Yeah.
It looks delicious. Is it yummy? How about yours, Kenny? Same flavor?
No. Yeah.
Oh.
You're like, no.
Yum yum.
Ew, I don't think what on earth?
Can I have a little taste?
Good, we didn't go on this one. Oh yeah, good.
Mm.
I'm confused.
I got it all over my nose. Come on. My gosh, you guys. Here we are again with that. Some of the most beautiful cars. That's a Jag. It's just gorgeous. The Cobras, of course.
There's a 289, Mom. See this?
Camaros. But the Cobras, they steal the show for me. Hey, Tim. What's up?
All right.
So now, you guys, we are at my husband's favorite type of vehicles, which is muscle, American muscle cars. So anywhere from SS, from Chevelle, from Chevelle again.
No, not SS screenshots.
Oh my God, I don't even know. GTOs, Pontiacs. Just wow. All American muscle cars.
Mom sings this song.
That's not the one I sing.
Yes, it is.
No.
You kept going. You grabbed it,
GTO, look at
and then
that.
you went like this.
Oh.
And then before you break. No, you did it.
Yeah. That is true. Look, there's another one over there. It looks like anyway.
Yeah, she probably had to work because I know she works at a shop. I forgot what kind of shop it is. Yeah.
None of the ones you want to see, huh? Mobile. Futuramic. 65 GTO. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's beautiful.
We go over here. There's 2 cars over
Is that for sale, Momo? Go check it out. That the one that Daddy's looking at. Go see, Kenny. Is that for sale?
Very reasonably priced, 35 grand or best offer.
Wow. So beautiful, of course, we had to see a Rolls Royce here. Gorgeous.
This is your car, huh?
Yes, I'll take it right now.
Everybody gets to pick one. Which one
Right,
you pick?
yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Just beautiful. Stunning interior. Wow.
All right, come
You
on.
want that back? What is that?
442 Oldsmobile.
Oh. I like the color too.
Woman.
So you guys, this is the end of the vlog, and it's really loud here, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you can, but
Come here, Kathy.
it's been a lot of fun,
This is Tim's
and
wife.
it's super hot. We're ready to go
Kathy, and
home.
She's just